The project of the century, the Metro Manila Subway, Philippines' most ambitious and largest infrastructure project and the first ever underground mass transport system in the country, is now being constructed. The subway in Metro Manila has been planned and proposed as early as 1973 in the Urban Transport Study in Manila Metropolitan Area, UTSMMA. However, when the Duterte Administration came in June 2016, the Metro Manila Subway Project, MMSP, had no completed feasibility study, no NEDA Board approval, no financing, and not a single contract. This means that for more than 40 years and 6 administrations, all we had were talks, proposals, plans, studies, drawings, and PowerPoint presentations. The 36-kilometer, 22-mile line, which will run north-south between Quezon City, Pasig, Makati, Taguig, Parañaque and Pasay, consists of 15 stations between the East Valenzuela and Bicutan stations. It will become the country's second direct airport rail link after the North-South Commuter Railway, with a branch line to Ninoy Aquino International Airport. The line is designed to run trains at 80 kilometers per hour. It is designed to withstand 8.0 magnitude earthquake. The station would have design features such as water stop panels, a high-level entrance for flood prevention, earthquake detection system, and a train stop system akin to the Tokyo subway. The stations are also designed to accommodate 1.5 million passengers daily. The Metro Manila Subway is designed to connect with other urban rail transit services in the region. Riders may transfer to LRT Line 1, MRT Line 3, and MRT Line 7 at the nearby North Triangle Common Station, which is also currently under construction. Other connections include the existing LRT Line 2 and PNR Metro Commuter Line, as well as the planned Makati Intra-City Subway, the MRT Line 4 and MRT Line 8. Expected to cost PHP $227 billion, equivalent to US $4.5 billion in 2017 dollars, the line is the most expensive transportation project in the Build infrastructure program. Much of its cost is covered by a loan provided by the Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA. The first part of a 104.5 billion yen loan was signed in March 2018. Now, the MMSP is already NEDA Board approved. Already funded by the Japanese, and its partial operability civil works, trains, and electromechanical systems already contracted. Actual construction works by the design-build contractor for the partial operability section began in 2019 with site clearing works at MMSP's Valenzuela depot. In February 2021, 2 out of 25 humongous tunnel boring machines, TBM, to be used for the MMSP, arrived in the country. And as of November 2021, the project's overall progress rate is at 25.09%. Once operational, the MMSP will reduce travel time between Quezon City and Naya from 1 hour and 10 minutes to just 35 minutes. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss our next uploads. Thanks for watching.